Okay, see, some sort of program is being conducted or organized the Department of ECE. I think these are the electronics and communication engineering students from ITAM Aditya Institute of Technology Management. So let us see. So what is going on here and what type of this program is. So where to go? Yes. Actually, first of all, we see the program. Okay, something. Okay, students are very busy with their circuitry. See, here also very busy with the circuit. Okay. Okay, see, let us discuss with the coordinators. Okay. Yeah, tell me yourself and what type of program is being organized here?
Hi sir, I am Spandana. I am a BTech third year student in ACE department.
Okay.
So today we are organizing a tear down and rebuild competition for both third years and second years of the ECE department.
Right.
So in this they can enlighten their circuit designing skills, and we are really thankful to our HOD sir and assistant HOD sir.
Very good.
And Siri sir for organizing such a great event.
Right. Okay, very good. All the best. And coming to the next coordinator. Okay, Amma, tell me yourself and what is the functionality of you regarding this program? What type of functionality is being organized?
Myself, I am Pravalika. I am from third EC. I am from third EC.
Okay.
And we are organizing an event called Teardown and Rebuild.
Okay.
Here we constructed some circuits and we have drawn the circuits.
Okay.
And already we have constructed. We gave the circuits to the participants and they should visit that circuit and they say again we will tear down the circuit. They should rebuild the circuit. This is the round 2 and round 1 is already completed. These are the people of selected peoples
Very
of
good.
round 1.
Okay. These are the how many batches have selected for the round 2?
13 batches have selected for round 2.
Among
50 batches.
Very good.
Among 50 batches, 30 batches are selected. Among 30 batches, we should select only 2 batches, first and second. And first and second will be having the prizes.
Right. Okay. Good going. All the best. And coming to yes. Here also students are very busy with their activities. Focus. Okay. Yes. Already we came to know that here the circuit competitive program is going on here. Okay. Totally among 58, 13 batches are selected. Okay. As a student or as a coordinator, what you going to achieve from organizing this type of program?
Sir, this event is actually a best opportunity to showcase your practical skills regarding connections. So, we haven't expected this much of a number to participate. There have been 100 participants from overall second year and third year, and we're happy that they have shown interest to come forward in doing this. So, these are to showcase their skills regarding the connections and all.
Very good. And another thing is how much time you are giving as a free time to do all connections for the students?
For the first round, we have given 5 minutes. That's actually a simple round, but the second round, the final one is actually a complicated one. So we are giving 15 minutes to them. That is tear down and rebuild. They have to draw it and they have to tear down the circuit and again.
It's very tedious. But our ECE students are very bright, so that they can easily achieve as per your task. Is it right?
Yes.
Right. Now, is there any prize money?
Yes, sir.
First and second?
First and second. We will announce the prizes.
Right. Okay. All the best. And a nice program is going on here.
Along with your regular curriculum, yes, you all need to gain skill set. What is skill? In fact, skill is an innovation. Simply speaking, skill is innovation. Innovation is the challenge today, and as part of the innovation from the EC department, we try to conduct various programs. And in those programs, another program is happening today. I am really happy to see you all in this program. And maybe this program is having 2-3 levels. First 2-3 levels I think already gone. Maybe you are coming, you are being ended with the last level. Those who wins the program, definitely they will be awarded with a certificate, not only certificate, maybe with some memento and all. not the certificates and mementos, that is all second issue. Participation is really an important as far as our student life is concerned. When you are the student, yes, participation plays very important role today, and every one of you definitely has to have the skill set. So definitely, whenever we offer a kind of program like this, be a part of the program, and I wish you all the very best. Good luck. God bless you.
Sir, also please, sir, small request, small submission. So, what is the motto of this program, sir?
Motto is very simple. Like hidden talents, whatever there with the students, we are trying to bringing out the talents, hidden talents. So if we conduct these kind of programs, then only we will come to know who is having the hidden talents, and the main goal and object of the program is to just to bring out the hidden talents that lies within the students always.
Okay, thank you, sir. Thank you.
Right, sir.
All the best. All the best. Thank you.